Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Nikhil, Sana from Indian Express here. In a time when it's all about original content, why is Hotstar Special getting adaptations from international formats, especially when we all know how the show is going to end? What's the idea behind it?
Yeah, it's a good question. We get this asked. So if you look at our slate, I haven't spoken much about it, but for the slate for the first year, it's got a very healthy mix of ideas which are homegrown and local, as well as some ideas which are format adaptations. Right now, the formats that we've adapted have been available in India only in the English language, which makes it a very small niche play. So majority of the countries actually not been able to see that show or access it. By adapting them in the local Indian languages is where for the first time really this country will be at large able to access these lovely global stories. So for 99.5% of the country, Hostages is going to land up as original series which they're seeing for the first time in a language they're comfortable with. It's such a great story that there's no reason for us not to do it just because it's happened in another language. I'm sure the cast, crew, and Sudhir also has seen the original, so it makes it even more exciting to participate. But we'll have a healthy mix. Our first show, which was Roar of the Lion, was a sports docudrama, and then we have City of Dreams was also a original show created here by Applause. So it's a mix. But I think both are important because for most of the viewers, they're all original stories.
And my next question is to Sudhir sir. We have seen you doing mostly social relevance and subjects like that. And as Tiska said that you were trying to find out Mudda in all the characters. But tell me how different was it to actually direct a thriller?
No, but I've done thrillers. I did Israt Ki Subah Nahi before thrillers were fashionable here. It was 2 years before Satya, mind you. Huh? So, so I love thrillers actually. I mean, I like suspense. I like thrillers. I think every good story is actually a suspense story, in the sense that it should surprise you. So I mean, the rules are the same of good storytelling, and it's gripping, and I really enjoy it. I mean, I love making Israt. I made Ye Sali Zindagi, which is a thriller. So it's not a strange format for me at all. I mean, there are some formats I might shy away from, right? But I'd like this thing up my street, And also because thrillers are usually about slightly grayish kind of characters. It's about uncomfortable aspects, people confronted with danger, people having to, जब आपको पता तब चलता है आप कौन हैं जब आप किसी situation में आते हैं ना. So how faced with that situation a person understands who he is or she is, right? I like that. I think I quite enjoy it. I mean, I'll do it again and again and again.